Happy morning, children. There's no better way to wake up in the morning than with a smile on your face. We've learned that it's not what we have in our lives, but who we have in our life that counts. We all love to connect with our family and friends through one or the other medium. Today, we are going to start with lesson number 32, Writing Skills, in which we will learn the format of writing an informal letter. In first semester, we have already learned the format of writing a formal letter. This session, we are going to learn what is a letter and one of its type, an informal letter. A letter is a written or printed message that you send to somebody. It is a direct or personal written or printed message addressed to a person or organization. It can be either written to convey a message to maybe your friends, family, teachers, school, etc. An informal letter is a letter that is written to friends, family, relatives, etc. The language used in this kind of letter may not necessarily be formal. Like if you are writing to a friend, you can always write, "Hi buddy, how are you?" Or if you are writing a letter to your father, you can write, "Dear Papa," rather than "Respected Papa." So the tone of the letter can be informal. You can make use of emotional tone and it can be written in a friendly way. So let's understand the format for writing an informal letter. So first is the sender's detail, that is the person who is writing the letter is the sender. Then you write the date on which you are writing the letter. Once you have put up these details, we need to start with a greeting. So whenever we meet, we say hi, hello, how are you, and so on. So when we write a letter, we greet the person. The body of the letter is the content of the letter or the reason for which you are writing the letter. The letter is ended with a closing. Then in the end comes the name of the sender. Let's learn it in brief. So when talking about the sender, you have to put information like the address of the person sending the letter. So here we have taken 9 Anant Vihar, Vadodara. The next part is to write today's date. So here we write today's date, which is 30th December 2020. Now when we are writing to a friend or family, we would usually write dear. So here we have taken a friend called Piyush. So we write dear Piyush. We write the body of the letter. Here we take an example that Tarun is writing a letter to his friend Piyush as he wants him to attend his elder brother's wedding. So he writes, "Hello, I am glad to inform you that my elder brother is getting married on 4th January 2021 and I am really excited. I would like to invite you on this occasion so that we can enjoy together and make this wedding memorable for all. Hope to see you soon." Now, once we have given the reason, we need to end our letter by writing either your friend or yours lovingly. Then we end by writing the name of the person writing the letter. So here we write Tarun. Let's understand the entire format with the help of an example that we have discussed. 9 Anant Vihar, Vadodara. 30th December 2020. Dear Piyush, hello. I am glad to inform you that my elder brother is getting married on 4th January 2021 and I am really excited. I would like to invite you on this occasion so that we can enjoy together and make this wedding memorable for all. Hope to see you soon. Yours lovingly, Tarun. So dear children, in this letter we have covered all the points to be taken care of while writing an informal letter. I hope you all have understood it. With this we come to the end of this topic. Thoroughly go through the video and try to understand in detail the format of an informal letter and also practice it writing in your notebooks. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.